This is your language of desires.
Wifey, napansin mo ba? Ang dami talagang curious ngayon, no? Ano ba talaga yung pagiging bull sa community?
Oo. And honestly, hindi siya basta-basta. Hindi lang siya about confidence or presence. May responsibility talaga.
Unahin natin yung pinaka-importante. Consent is everything.
Yes. Dapat malinaw ang yes ng both partners. Hindi pwedeng isa lang ang okay.
At kahit may yes na, pwede pa ring magbago anytime.
Exactly. No means no. Walang pilitan, walang pressure.
Next, respect the relationship.
Hindi ka papalit sa husband or boyfriend. You're invited. Hindi ka main character.
At iwasan ng emotional attachment unless malinaw na allowed.
Walang agaw mindset. Major red flag yun.
At syempre, communication.
Dapat klaro lahat bago pa man. Ano ang allowed? Ano ang bawal? May limits ba?
Like may ibang couples na no kissing, no overnight, or may presence dapat si hubby.
And dapat open ka sa feedback. Hindi pwedeng defensive.
Let's talk about do's.
Number 1, mag-invest sa sarili. Malinis, mabango, presentable.
Physical fitness is a plus, pero hindi required. Effort ang mahalaga.
Next, health. Regular HIV and STD testing.
Dapat updated ka at ready ka magpakita ng results if needed.
Also, discreet. Walang posting, walang sharing without consent.
Respect the couple, their space, and their rules.
And be reliable. Hindi yung paasa, hindi yung biglang mawawala.
Now, the don'ts.
Huwag maging clingy or possessive.
Huwag mag-demand beyond sa napag-usapan.
Huwag mag-message privately kung hindi allowed.
Huwag mag-assume na may next time agad.
And pinaka-importante, privacy is sacred. Walang kalat ng info.
Real talk, may investment din ito.
Yes, grooming, clothes, hygiene, pati health tests.
Minsan pati logistics or dates depende sa setup.
And beyond money, kailangan mo ng time, emotional control, at real confidence.
Hindi yabang, controlled confidence.
Dapat controlled ego. Hindi ikaw ang bida.
Discipline sa katawan at behavior.
If may dominant role, dapat respectful. Laging may consent.
At marunong tumanggap ng rejection.
Kahit attractive ka, hindi ka para sa lahat. Period.
Hindi lang ito about physical connection.
It's about trust, respect, boundaries, and responsibility.
Kung hindi kayang sundin yon, better not enter.
Now, para sa couples, iba ang fantasy sa reality.
Sa imagination, smooth. Pero in real life, may awkward moments.
And emotions will show up.
Selos, guilt, overthinking, normal yan.
Hindi siya 100% predictable.
Also, may dynamic shift sa relationship.
May couples na mas lumalalim, may iba nagiging complicated.
At hindi lahat ng bull fit sa inyo.
Kahit okay sa chat, pwedeng walang chemistry.
Trial and error talaga.
Selos, especially sa husband.
Or confusion sa wife after.
Boundary crossing. Either bull or couple kulang sa rules.
Attachment issues. May nafo-fall or nagiging clingy.
Aftercare problems. Walang usap after.
Communication breakdown. Kinikimkim ang feelings.
And expectation mismatch. Isa gusto ulit, isa ayaw na.
Set clear rules before anything.
Clear before play equals less problem after.
Constant check-ins.
Before, during, after. Emotional check-in is important.
Accept jealousy.
Jealousy is not failure. It's a signal.
Be ready to stop anytime.
Walang pilitan, kahit nasa moment na.
Choose the right bull carefully.
Hindi lang looks, respectful dapat.
Always prioritize the relationship.
Kayo pa rin ang main.
And aftercare.
Non-negotiable. Mag-usap kayo after.
Reality check. This setup can be fulfilling.
It is pwede ring maging destructive without preparation.
Hindi ito para sa lahat.
And that's okay.
If you can't talk about it openly,
You're not ready to do it.
ako si Carlo,
And I'm Ina.
and this is your language of desires.
So, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa kwento namin tonight, marami pa kaming secrets at stories na gusto naming i-share sa inyo.
Every Saturday at 7 p.m., may bago kayong maririnig
dito sa Language of Desires.
If you like stories like these,
Don't forget to like, share, at subscribe.
and follow us on
TikTok at Language of Desires.
Language of Desires YouTube channel.
Facebook.com/si Carlo Enyina.
Comment you din below ang thoughts nyo. Baka next time, story nyo na ang pag-usapan natin.
And this is your
Language of Desires.